Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X3 M50 in Tanzanite Blue Metallic with the Espresso interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X3 M50 in Tanzanite Blue Metallic. I've just pressed unlock on the key, so we've got the kidney grill lit up, we've got the DRLs on, and here's the key. Let me just press and hold panic for 1 Mississippi. And we'll get the full pathway lighting on. So that's what the low beam system would look like. And now that we've done that, let me just do a full lap all the way around the vehicle. Kind of close to the stairs, so it's a bit tight right here, but I'll do my best to give you an accurate representation of how this car looks and how nice it looks, especially here in our showroom. With these lights, it really shows the Tanzanite blue off really nicely. So now that we've done this lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. We got the beautiful Tanzanite Blue Metallic, and I'm just trying to show off that metallic sparkle that's in the paint. That looks really nice. And you can see these nice body lines heading down into the focal point. We've got the rondelle up front and center. And if I take a step back, you'll see that we have the kidney grill, and if I hit unlock on the key, it lights up, DRLs come on. We've got the horizontal slats with the M badging on the driver's side, front facing camera. There's also a little washer nozzle in there as well. And down here we've got some active grille shutters. There are more active grille shutters down here. We've got the split chin here as well. Front end looks really good, and with the full pathway lighting system on, looks even better. We have some functional air ducts down here at the bottom on either side. And if I take a closer look, these are the BMW LED headlights. So we've got all these little crisscross patterns in here, and looks really good with those double stacked L-shaped headlights. Yeah, looks sweet. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 20-inch double spoke 1036 M wheels in jet black burnish with the blue M Sport brake back there. So that looks really nice. We have the M badging on the fender here as well in Canada. And down here, because this is the M Sport design, of course, we have the body color rocker panel with the little cutout here for the welcome light carpet. It is an M welcome light carpet. It's kind of hard to see. And here we have the black M wing mirrors with the integrated turn signal and side camera. And up top we have the full glass roof. We have the black roof rails. We have the black window surrounds here as well. And bumped into a chair here. Side profile view of the vehicle. We have the new integrated flush door handles with touch comfort access at the front. There's your rear 1036 M wheel with the blue M Sport brake there. Here's your Hofmeister kink. New style antenna up top. We have the spoiler, and we have the new X-shaped X3 tail lights. All these crisscross patterns. BMW is also illuminated back here. Back end looks sweet, and rear wiper arm, BMW rondelle in the back, M50 badging. And down here, you'll see that we have the vertical reflectors on the widest sections, quad exhaust tips, and we have the rear diffuser here. I've got the key with me, so a swift kick underneath the middle of the car will have this open the hands-free way. Once this opens up, we have a cargo cover here to hide your contents. You can press these buttons on either side, so the cargo cover is now loose, so it can be taken out altogether. To lock it into place, you just press it forward until you don't see orange on each side. And when it does come out, there's a space underneath here where it could be stored in this little section here. There's a bit more space here. We've got some carpeted mats. There's your tire inflator kit plus, and there's a designated spot here for wheel lock key and tow hook. 12 volt plug, grocery bag hanger, netted area, another grocery bag hanger on this side that can also double as a stand to hold this part up if you needed it propped up. And up top, we've got a button to close, another one to close and lock. But we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. And on the passenger side, we have the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click to open the cap. There's a little spot to put it. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click, and you can shut the door. Now, if I open the rear door here, inside you'll see that we have the new 2026 door handle, Harman Kardon sound system. This part is high gloss black, as well as this window switch, ambient light in there, ambient lights here as well. And these are the Espresso seats with the release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Armrest in the center with some cup holders. And up top right here, there's a button you can press that allows you to lower the center pass through. And up top you can see we've got the full glass roof, massive opening there. We also have an accessory port on the back of each front seat, pockets on the back of each seat. Down here there's more vents and some more lights down there. We also have some vents on the back of the center console, a little storage area, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. And up top we do have a handle on each side with a coat hanger and some lights. So now that we've had a look back here, let's shut this door. And we can open up the front passenger door next. Welcome light carpet down here. So once I have this open, you'll see that we've got some ambient light. We have some vent controls, unlock, lock, window controls, big pockets, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh extension, manual headrest adjustment. And let's take a little shot of these 2 front seats here. We've got some soft touch materials on the dash with some stitching. Down here there's a button you can press that allows you to open the illuminated glove box. We have the curved display with xDrive operating system 9. Down here there's more vents, wireless charger on the left side with a little vent that cools your phone so that it can stay charging. 2 USB Type-C charging ports, your cup holders, the M jewel in the middle of this jewel box. We have the glass xDrive controller, the glass push start button. And if I lift this up, you'll see that we have a 12-volt plug inside of there. So now that we've had a chance to look at all this, let's shut the door and we'll go to the driver's side next. Alright, so if I approach from the driver's side, open up the door, you'll see inside here we have unlock, lock, some memory buttons, vent open or close, door pull, tailgate release, side mirror controls, all 4 window controls, some pockets, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. And if we look over here, you'll see that we've got the flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock. We have the M tricolor stitching going all the way around, red marker at 12 o'clock. We also have the head-up display here as well. And if we jump in here for a moment, driver assistance stuff, safety and warnings, forward collision, lane departure, blind spot, exit warning, parking, automatic back park, front park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot. Driving, we have active cruise control with stop and go. So this does not have the assisted driving. At this level you need the driver assistance professional to get all that. Up top we've got your rear view mirror, hello, and we have your buttons underneath here to program 3 garage doors. Interior camera is here, SOS for roadside, and this is your sunshade operation. So it just opens or closes the sunshade. Reading lights up top, visor comes down, that opens. The visor can come out and it can extend. So now that we've had a good look inside of here, let's come and look down here. So here are the pedals, and it's not readily apparent, but underneath here is your hood release. So it's 1, 2 pulls, So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo. This one has 398 horsepower, 428 foot-pounds of torque. We've got these strut bars on either side for rigidity. Positive battery terminal here, negative battery terminal here, washer fluid over here. What an absolute beast. BMWs also have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I put the fingers on the rondelle, literally just send her down. Beauty. So before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. So let me just hit unlock so we can get everything coming on here in terms of the lighting system. And full pathway lighting on looks real nice. This color combination also very good. I mean, I think Tanzanite blue, you can't really go wrong, but the Espresso interior really does go well with it. And I'm sure you guys have started to see a lot of these on the road. And I think the car looks awesome. So how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X3 M50 in Tanzanite Blue Metallic with the Espresso interior. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.